Hello all you beautiful people. Today we are going to be nerds and I'm going to explain to you how rockets propel themselves and how basic combustion works, with the help of my assistant, of course. Hi, my name is Jesrin and this is Ava.
Hi.
Ava's initials stand for Automatic Virtual Assistant and she's going to be doing the visual aspect of this video. Let's get into it. First of all, combustion is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions are reactions that release heat, light and sound energy. Endothermic reactions, on the other hand, take in heat. But you also have endothermic and exothermic processes. For example, when ice melts, the particles take heat from its surroundings so that it can break free from the rest and move freely. This is called an endothermic process. Back to rockets. In the case of a rocket, the fuel would be hydrogen and oxygen. They get thrown in the fuel chamber and are given a spark to start the reaction. The spark gives the particles around it an energy boost. Now the particles have enough energy to react with each other. Once two or more particles collide and react, they give out heat energy and cause a chain reaction. This is known as combustion. Now because all these particles give out heat, the air pressure rises.
But why?
The more energy the particles have, the more they bounce around and obviously they collide more often with their container. In this case, the rocket's exhaust. Speaking of which, the stuff coming out of the rocket's exhaust is dihydrogen monoxide, aka water. Disclaimer, this water is not safe to drink as it's pure H2O and contains no salts or minerals whatsoever. Now you would expect that the rocket gets propelled by the particles pushing between it and the surface it's on. That is partially true, but rockets can fly in a vacuum.
But how?
Well, Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. It is also why when you yell at your ex, she yells back twice as hard.
There has to be a better way of explaining that.
Fair enough. If you're standing on a boat and you want to get off, you will push yourself forward, but you will also push the boat back.
Like this?
Close enough. This is because the boat is on water and can move freely. Hint, a rocket in a vacuum can also move freely. The particles bump into the rocket and bump back, but they also push the rocket forward. And that is how a rocket can fly in a vacuum.
Can an atom really push a rocket that much?
One particle may not seem like it can do that much, but multiply that by a quintillion squared and you have a sea level thrust of 179,097 kilograms and a vacuum thrust of 213,188 kilograms. Not that I'm reading, of course.
So is that how a UFO works too?
Hope we're still on the same planet, but it's time for me to blast off now.
Okay, bye. Your time is up.
Hey, don't you edit me out.
Goodbye.
Hey!